Well, ahoy cruise nerds, and welcome to our day at sea. So cruise nerds, this morning it's actually a cool day. It's a cool morning. Where, as you can tell, it's kind of windy this morning, which is nice for a change, especially the last few days it's been hot. Nice to have a cool breeze, and especially start off the morning. And we're going to go up to Marston Market for a breakfast to enjoy one last nice breakfast here on board before debarking tomorrow. And we're going to see what the day brings us today. And tonight we're going to have Aladdin the Musical. So we're definitely going to go see that tonight. And we're going to see what else is in store. We're going to go get some more photos because we have the unlimited photo package. And we have 2 staterooms this cruise. So that is different in a good way, cruise nerds, because the photos are going to the prospective stateroom, and of course family's out now. They're up and ready to go. So I'm gonna definitely go over the unlimited photo package in another vlog, and possibly get like mom and dad and brother-in-law's opinion about that, see what they think about that. But anyways, cruise nerds, I'm going to pause here for now. So I'm going to finalize getting everything, and then we'll go from there. But anyways, cruise nerds, I'll see you real soon on board.
HHA for trade, let's see, is one good claim of bingo! Emilio, can we make it 2? Tell me.
87269.
87269. 87269, let's see. That is 2 good claims of bingo!
Well, ahoy cruise nerds, welcome back to the Grand Hall. So right now they are doing the royal gathering with the princesses. So there's Cinderella, Belle, Rapunzel, Tiana. So they're doing that right now in the Grand Hall. However, we just went up to Triton's Lounge. So they were doing for 18 years and older beads, where you can make friendship bracelets or bracelets in general. So we did. We crafted some bracelets, which I'll show you 1 or 2 later. And then after that, we watched a little bit of bingo, just to watch out of amusement. And there was 2 winnings of bingo on the blackout, on the last game of bingo for the session this morning. So that was very lucky for the crew, for the guests that were playing bingo. All I heard after they played that last number, bingo! It was so exciting. To watch. But anyways, cruise nerds, so we're going to regroup. I'm regrouping with the family right here, kind of seeing what we want to do. and we're gonna go from there, cruisers. So see y'all around the show.
And then to decorate your door hanger, you can use as well the markers and the crayons, but we also have some pictures from your favorite princesses.
Ahoy Cruise nerds, and welcome to a windy afternoon here aboard the Disney Wish. So I got ready for tonight. It's casual or optional dress up tonight, and we are in 1923, and we're gonna go get some pictures as well as go to Aladdin the Musical Spectacular. So that's a really good show. I really like that. That's one of my favorites here aboard the Disney Wish, and I believe it's also on the Disney Fantasy, if I am not mistaken. However, it is amazing here aboard the ship, so I'm definitely going to go enjoy that with the family, get some popcorn, and then go take some photos as well with the professional photography team. But yeah, it's calm seas, or somewhat calm seas. We do have some high seas right now, but it will probably get a little choppy tonight, who knows. There's some rip currents back up in Port Canaveral. It's the after effects from Hurricane Melissa. So that's up until 4 a.m. tomorrow morning when we arrive. But anyways, cruise nerds, I am just going to go rebrush my hair actually before I head down to the show, because the doors open in about 30 minutes. But anyways, cruise nerds, enjoy the view.
And wherever your travels take you tomorrow, hope they're safe and you come back and you see us again real soon. And remember that line from Pinocchio: the most amazing and magical things can happen. And it all starts with a wish. Have a great night, everyone. Thanks for coming to Showtime, and thank you for sailing with us.
Alright, cruise nerds, so we just finished up with Aladdin the Musical. There's brother-in-law Tony, all handsome and jiffy. But we just finished with Aladdin, which it was good. It's always nice to see the Broadway style shows. Genie and Jafar made it like amazing with all the comedy and everything. But now it's time to go get those last minute photos for the unlimited photo package. So see y'all in the Grand Hall. Well, ahoy cruise nerds, and welcome back to 1923. We are here for our last night, and tonight is optional dress shop, which I dressed up and the whole family did too, to kind of go over what we've had so far. So Lorelai, my niece, she had the Hyperion 4 cheese tricolor tortelloni, and then Mom, Tony, and Dad had burrata mozzarella cheese and prosciutto di Parma. And then I had also, my niece and Dad had the tomato soup. And Mom had the pulled bean and corn chowder. And then Tony had the Kingswell duck confit pastilla. So those are the appetizers, and we'll come back to the entrees in just a few minutes. But cruise nerds, we're going to enjoy our appetizers while they're still hot and fresh, and we'll come back real soon. See you, cruise nerds. Well, ahoy, cruise nerds, and welcome back to 1923. So we just did dinner, and so Mom, Lorelai, and Dad all had the 1923 peppered filet mignon. And then, so Tony had the Italian flat parsley and rosemary crusted rack of lamb. So that's what they had, and I just had the steak for dinner. So that's what we had there. So we are just waiting to order desserts, and we'll go from there, cruise nerds. So, but it was pretty okay tonight for dinner. It wasn't that great. So, but it was decent. But just to kind of give you an idea of what kind of options they have here at 1923. So, see y'all real soon for desserts. Alright, cruise nerds, so we got our desserts. So Mom and Lorelai both got the churros. And then Tony got the flourless orange almond cake. And Dad got the no sugar added coconut tapioca pudding, which is not that great, cruise nerds. But the pretty design and everything, it was pretty, but it wasn't so great. I tasted it. It was mediocre. But we're going to wrap up, cruise nerds, because we got to go put our luggage outside the stateroom. So, cruise nerds, I will see y'all after.
Okay, so what do I do? Oh, I see. Okay. Oh, of course, no problem.
Hey, rich man, we had a deal! For real? You always funny, man.
Alright, prisoners, so we came back to the stateroom. So we got the most popular towel animal, the favorite, watching the TV. Love them, cruising. I love them, housekeeping. It's the best.